Hey guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors. Just fishing in Grand Lake today and trolling for stripers. It is the end of October. It's getting a little cool, but man, oh man, what can you say? Beautiful day, great time to be on the lake, marking tons of fish. Not biting yet, but who knows? Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Bad day fishing is better than a good day at the office, so this is great. I'm loving every minute of it. Deer season is on too, and I'm muzzleloader hunting, but it's kind of crazy, so it's busy. I don't know which one to do. I'm always kind of back and forth, but anyway, I'm having a blast. I'm out here enjoying the water. The wind is perfect for being on the lake, so this is ideal conditions, so that's what I'm going to do. Stay tuned, hopefully we catch something. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning, so I decided to hit the lake again. It's not a whole lot of wind, it's a little cool. I think it's 14 degrees Celsius right now. The wind is not too bad, so this is ideal conditions. Overcast, a little misty and foggy. So I decided to come to the north shore of the lake because it's even less wind over here. And give it a try. I'm going to troll for a little bit and then I'm going to head over towards Sidney Crosby's house. There's a cove over there. There's always lots of fish in there, so going to give that a go, see what happens. Anyway, let's stay tuned, see what happens. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the little bell so that you get notifications as to when I upload new video. As well, head over to my Facebook page, Adventures Outdoors with Frank Zinck, and my Facebook group, Camping Life. Camping Life is tips and recipes for camping with your family. Anyway, I hope you head over, say hello. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.